Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you forgot the lock screen password to your DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. So the best solution in such case would be reaching out to DOOGEE customer support service and asking for their help, since this way you can they can unlock your device without removing any data from it. You only have to show them the proof of the ownership of your tablet by showing them a receipt or an e-receipt from the store where you bought the tablet. And after that, just wait for their assistance, follow their instructions, and they will help you get the access back to your tablet. Otherwise, if you cannot use this method, you're gonna have to perform a factory reset operation on your device, and it will erase all data on it. Now you have two options. You can perform factory reset operation remotely, or you can do it locally. Now if you want to perform the factory reset operation remotely, you're gonna need to open the FindHub application, the FindHub website. So you can do it on your laptop, on your smartphone, on your PC. Just Google for the FindHub. Open this website, and then here, if you sign into the Google account that is linked with your G6 Max, you'll be able to open your device's menu. And here, if you open this page on any other device, you'll be able to see the factory reset option. And if you select it, you'll be able to perform factory reset operation remotely. After you perform factory reset operation remotely, you'll be able to set up your tablet once again and start using it again. The second method is the local factory reset operation, which you can now only perform by entering recovery mode. And to enter the recovery mode on your tablet, you're gonna need to shut it down by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and selecting power off. Wait until your tablet is entirely powered off, and after that you're gonna have to press and hold volume up and volume down keys at the same time. And while holding them both down, you're gonna have to short press the power button to make your DOOGEE logo appear on your screen. And once it appears, release the power button and keep holding down the both volume keys. Now, if your device vibrated while you performed this operation, this means that it will simply boot back into the normal mode and you're gonna have to start again. So in order to access the recovery mode, you have to make sure that your device doesn't vibrate while you see the logo on your screen. So now here we'll be able to navigate using up and down volume keys and select with the power button. This way you're gonna have to navigate down to wipe data / factory reset and press power button to confirm, then select factory data reset, and this will perform the full factory reset of our tablet. And after that we're gonna have to select reboot system now and wait until the device is restarted. Now this restart will take some time, since all data is being erased from our tablet, but once it's finished we'll be able to get the access back to it. Now I also recommend plugging in the charging cable to make sure that your device is charged during this process. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.